Hello, welcome to Academy Mentor. In this video lecture, we are going to make this drawing. This is a first angle projection drawing, and it will be very helpful because we will create in 3D and we will convert in 3D to 2D drawing. Before making this drawing, we have to read all the dimensions which are given in this drawing, because without reading all the dimension we can't design it. So first we are looking a circle and a arc. A circle's radius is 15 and arc's radius is 30. So we will start from this circle. So before making this drawing, choose our perspective views where from we will make this drawing. So we are going to choose front view because we will made it with front view. So choose from here front view, press C for circle and click at any point and drag your mouse and give the dimension 15 and enter. Press again C for circle and create another circle with the radius of 30 and press enter. After making it, we will draw a 100-meter reference line. So L for line and click at circle center point and drag your mouse downward. Do ortho mode on and give the dimension 100 mm and press enter. And after that we will draw another line with the length of 50 mm. So press 50 and press enter again and go in upward direction and give length of line 10 and enter. And after that press TAN, press enter for tangent and click at any point of this circle and press enter. Now we have to mirror these lines which I am going to select. So this line I am going to mirror. So MI for mirror and click at first point and click at second point and press enter. And after that we will draw a line L for line from this point to this point and press escape or enter. And we can do one thing more, that click right and press enter. So now we will erase extra portion. So we will delete first this line and we will trim this arc. Press escape. Now we have drawn all 2D sketches and now we have to choose SW isometric. And now it's time to press pull. So we are in drafting and annotation. So we have to choose 3D modeling. In modeling toolbar, here we have a press pull command. So click on it and go to the region and click on it and drag your mouse in forward direction and give the dimension 50 and press enter. And go to the another region, click and drag your mouse and give the distance 10 and press enter. Press escape for come out from command. Press shift key and hold and press mouse scroll button and hold and drag your mouse. Now we can orbit our drawing. Choose here realistic view and do one thing, do grid mode off. Now we will give fillet to this edge and to this edge. So go to the solid and select here fillet edge and press R for radius and press enter and give the radius 5 mm and press enter. Select edge, press enter twice. Again choose fillet edge, go to the edge and press enter. So now we are looking that we have made a mistake. So we will do one thing, we will come back and we have to do union this part. So go to the union, choose parts and press enter and now choose fillet edge, go to the edge and press enter. Select the object, move forward and delete all 2D sketches. Now it's time to convert in 3D to 2D. So select object, go to the home tab and select base and from here choose from model space. We have a already layout which name is ISO A3 title block, sorry. So we can choose another layout and we are going to choose another layout. We can give the name, any name, XYZ. We are going to give the name, press enter. This is our front view, so we can place on any point. Click here, press enter once. After that, at this point and at this point, go to the top and drag your mouse diagonally and click here. Press enter again. We can place it at any point. So go to the rectangle box and click here and drag your mouse and you can place at any point. At this time our auto mode is on, so we can move in a 90-degree. So do ortho mode off and we can just place it and at any point. So I am going to place this point and this is our first angle projection. Click on object twice to change visual style. So we are going to change in shaded with visible lines and escape and press escape. We can adjust all the drawings as our design. So it's time to give the dimension of this drawing. So go to the annotate and choose choose linear to give the dimension. Press enter to repeat the command, and we can easily give the dimension for all the lines like that. Press enter. For circles we have to choose here a radius, diameter. We can choose anything as like radius and diameter. For repeat command, press again enter. By mistake I gave a radius 5 for this, or it should be 2.5 in this drawing. Here 2.5 radius has given in this drawing. So this is all about this drawing. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.